There has been discussion of an entry-level version, an extreme model, a slim version, and speculations that it may be delayed until next year. The rumored second edition of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold May 6th be on its way shortly. According to Ice Universe on Twitter, this new foldable phone exists and will have a larger screen, slimmer design, and be less in weight. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim will be known as the Samsung W25 in China. It will be lighter, thinner, and bigger than the Fold 6, and it will be released in October. Last month, we learned that Samsung may be holding back on its more inexpensive foldable phone because they could make it small enough to compete with China's foldables without sacrificing sturdiness. Analyst Ross Young speculated that a slimmer Z Fold 6 without the stylus digitizer might replace the anticipated Z Fold 6 Ultra. All of this conversation backs up prior speculations from January that a cheaper tablet-style foldable might be introduced to Samsung's range this year. To make the phone smaller, Samsung opted to eliminate the stylus digitizer. This is one way they are attempting to compete in China's competitive market. Instead, the new model will feature a larger screen and improved durability to solve difficulties endemic in China's foldable phones. According to industry insider Ross Young, manufacturing of these bigger displays will not begin until late this year, so we may not see this new more flexible yet stylus-free foldable for another 9 months. The W25 branding and maybe special specifications for China are unlikely to be accessible outside of the nation. So yet, there is no evidence that either new Z Fold concept will be released outside of Asia, so it is unclear if customers overseas will be able to sample them, but we stay optimistic. Samsung has never faced more severe competition at the top of the foldables industry, and its struggling Z Fold series might benefit from enhancements to current models as well as the release of new ones. We could receive additional hints once Samsung unpacks on July 10th, but we're unlikely to hear definitive answers given the expected lengthy wait until the Z Fold 6 Slim becomes a reality. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.